Good day guys, been here. Today let's model this structure. Okay, so center, culture, tip, tipao. Okay, so this is some model of this structure. So, and this will be something. So it's very simple. So a simple or not too much detail, but just some basic shape of this. Of course, it will be parametric, so you can change the height, you can change the radius, extra. Okay, so let's do it. So first, I'm going to just close all these. Okay, so let's start. So we're going to start with one of them, and so it will be an adaptive family. So we're going to model one of this. So one of this. Okay, so it will be a vertical one and a curved one. So let me just find a section view of that. Yeah, so this one. So vertical and a curved one. So let's start. First, I'm going to place one point, make it adaptive, and I'm going to click on the side of this cube and copy this up. Maybe roughly this. Okay, so now we have point 1, point 2. So select them, spline, reference line. Okay, so this will be the vertical one, and then the curved one. We're going to create another point, draw on face, draw on this reference line, and then another point, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick the vertical, so see this one, and place it on the point, and then okay, so select this point, move it. Okay, so now if I select 1, 2, and 3, spline, and you will see this is a curve, but the shape of this curve is not matching this one. So you will see this one curve relative. It's very straight on the top and more curve on the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'll just dissolve this. Sorry, select this and dissolve it, and we're going to add another point. Okay, so I'm going to select these 2 points, CC, and select this point, pick new host. I'm going to pick it here. So now select these 2 points together with 1 and 2, create a curve again. Don't worry about this, we will fix it. So change it to reference line. So now let's go to the side, click on this right. Now we just need to try to get the shape. Okay, so first let's try this. So move this. Okay, so maybe we need to move them down a little bit. Maybe this one need to go and go down a little bit, and maybe this one need to go to the left. Maybe this one need to go up a little bit. Maybe go outside a little bit. Go inside. I think that's what do you think? Maybe too much curve. Maybe reduce the curve a little bit, and also this one move inside, outside, up. Oh, sorry, down. If you want to move up and down, move this point instead of this. Okay, so if to the left or right, move this point, but if it go up and down, use this point. So I think it's okay. It's quite good. It's quite nice curve. So now we just need to, because when we change the height, so I'll show you. So currently it's if I drag this up, you will see the scale of this curve will change. So what we need to do is let's Control Z. Okay, so we need to keep this scale. Okay, so first let's set work plan, and let's pick this. So you can tab, pick this reference line and a DI dimension the two reference point, sorry, adaptive points, and then create a parameter. Let's call it H. So H, and this will be a reporting parameter. Okay, let me change the scale a little bit. So yep, so this is the H, which is reporting, and this point and this point, don't worry about them because they will change the height depending on this. Okay, so we just need to, so this is an offset and this will not change. We just need to create a, let's create a offset. So OFS1 instance OK and OK. So this point will be OFS2 instance OK. Okay, so we just need to work out what this offset relative to the H. Okay, so let's use the calculator. So first, so let's have a look at this. So this will be 272A66. Okay, 2A66. So we just use 2A666 divided by 31900. Okay, so this is so let's just copy this one. Okay, so this is the scale. Control C and go to family types. So offset 1 equals this times H. Okay, so okay, so now let's have a look at the other one. So this one will be 3566. So 3566 divided by 31900 equals, okay, so let's copy maybe this. Control C, go to family types, Control V times H. Okay, so now if I move this point, you will see the scale of this arc, this curve will not change. Okay, oops, yep, see. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to, so if we go back to this image, so we'll see this vertical one stop about here, and the curve one, let's just finish it at the top. So we just need to create another point, draw on face, and let's rotate it a little bit, and then place it on this reference line. So draw on face. Okay, so select this point. So roughly, let's get a scale. So if that's 100, this is about half is about here. Half, maybe 80, 75. Okay, let's try 75. So targeting 0.75. Okay, so this will be the vertical. Let's select this point together with the point 1, create a spline and reference line. So we will use this as a path of that the sweep. Okay, so now let's draw on one point, draw on face, draw and place it on this. So see, this one's the overall, the full high one. See, but you just need to tab and then place it on this, on the shorter one. Okay, so then let's just place a profile of that sweep. So reference, rectangle, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this horizontal work plan of this point, and draw a shape. not sure about the size. Let's just make it maybe 400 by 200. Okay. So, and also I'm not going to make it parametric. If you want to, you can, but I'll just try to just save some time. Okay, so just move it and make sure it's centered. Okay, so now this profile's center to this point. So now select this CC and select this point, pick host, make sure you pick the shorter one, so tab, see this one, and then you can just select this point, go up to the top, so which is here, and select this point, type 0. Now you can select this profile and together with this profile, so you can create this. Okay, and then hang on, let me just let me try. So select these CC and see if it works or not. Oh, sorry, there are 2 points here, so I just delete this one. So select this point, pick new host, pick this one, and then we just need another one. CC, pick new host. So select this point and go up to 1, and this point go down to 0, and OK. And then you can select this profile together with make sure you only select this curve, so tab, so control select, and also this, okay, control select and create form. So now this is the curved one. Okay, so now this is it. We'll just try to keep it simple for this exercise. So now let's the next step, we need to create this shape. Okay, so let's do it. So let's create a, this time we're going to use create a mesh. Okay, so open. So first go to floor plan. So we are going to create a circle. So reference circle, place it in this center and create a circle. Create a radius, and let's make let's call it R, and instance, and OK. So now let's go to 3D view, select this circle and create form and create a solid. So now here we have this positive offset. This is the height. So let's create a height parameter. So let's call it H, instance as well, and OK and OK. So now if I go to family types, we can change this. Let me just change this, make it maybe slimmer. Now I made a radius maybe 30 meter high, maybe 12 meter radius. So you can change it anytime. Okay, so click OK. So now we need to cut this solid to create this shape. Okay, so let's go. First, go to east or west, which is left or right. So we need to create some reference plane. So first, this will be the height, and we also need to create another one here, and another one here, and another one here. So I'll explain. Okay, so dimension from floor level to this one, and assign this height to it. Okay, so this will be the height, always equal to the height of this solid. And then another dimension from the center to this one, and assign the R to it. So from these two, we get this point, and we will create a reference line from this point. Okay, and another one here. So this will be the R as well. So, and this one, So this reference line design where where the void start. Okay, where this or I'll show you. I'll create a, actually I'll just going to make this half of this R. I think half of this R is quite match this model. Okay, so I'm going to create another parameter. Let's call it half R instance. Okay, and go to family types, and half R equals R divided by 2. Apply. Okay, so now we have all the reference plane we need. We can create a reference line. Okay, so it will start from this point. Okay, this point. So actually, before I create a reference line, I'm going to HH this solid. So make sure, this will make sure everything is locked onto the reference line. So I'll also HH this reference line. So go reference line, start from here, go down. Oh, sorry, we need another one. So reference, this will be, this height will be this height. Okay, so I guess it's about 1/3 of the overall height. So maybe I'll just create another parameter. Now I'll call it H2 instance. Okay, and go to family types. H2 equals 1/3 of the overall H. Apply. Okay. Okay, so now we can start to create the reference line. So start from this point, go down to here, and go down to the floor level, and go back to here, go up, and finish it. So now this is the shape for the void. Okay, so let's go to 3D view. So you will be able to see this reference line here. So now we can create a void. Okay, so select the one on the left, and then here positive offset, let's link the R to it, and also the negative, link the R to it. So now if you click, and then this is the shape. Okay, so this is the shape for this structure. Okay, so now the next step is we need to select this face. So so I'll show you. So if you don't use tab, you will select the whole solid. If you tab once, you select the solid part of this solid, and then if you tab twice, you pick this face and with this device surface. So click on device surface, and then we can just let me just try this one now. Yeah. So we don't need for the timber structure, we don't need any horizontal grid. So I just change the view grid to none. And for the V grid, I'm going to use maximum spacing or minimum. It's up to you. So maybe I'll use 1.5 meter. So roughly each maximum 1.5. Okay. And also this one as well. So tab, select device surface, and change the U grid to none and V grid to maximum maximum spacing 1.5 meters. Okay, so and also you need to select this one and go here and turn on the nodes. Same, this one, turn on the nodes. Okay, so now let's go to the frame, load this into the mass. Let's go to 3D view. Let's place it. So 1 and go up here. And it's not, looks like it's on the other direction. That's fine. Select this one, select the frame, and check this flip. Okay, so now if you select this adaptive family and click on repeat and wait for a few second, you will see we have this. Okay, and also this will be the separate mass face, so we just need to create another one. So 1, 2, and looks like we need to flip it as well, and then repeat, and that's it. So, and also select this mask and uncheck the visible. So when you load this into the project, you won't see it. Okay, so now let's go to let's create a project. Okay, so and then let's load this mask into the project. And go to 3D view. Okay, so this is the shape, the mass, or the structure we did. And you will notice that there's some nodes here, it's visible, and also these lines. Let's try to hide them, so see if we can. Yeah, so you just need to uncheck this one. So, and let's try to, oh, hang on. Looks like we need to turn on this one, so we will be able to adjust it. So change the height. Yeah, all good. And let's change the radius. So for example, I'll make it slimmer, 9 meters. Oops. Oh, that's okay. So it's telling us that there's some doubled in one place. That's okay. So I think that's it. And what else? And also, yeah, you can, if you don't give them a formula, you will be able to adjust them. But I think it's quite okay. And that's it. Maybe we can add some panels to it as well. But I think this will be, let's do it next time. Okay, so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.